Hello everyone, today I am going to explain and analyze Dutch defense rap part 1 video chapter 1 to chapter 4. I am going to explain one by one. Please watch until finish this video. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, we can go now chapter 1. Why white resign in 8 moves? Okay, why white resign in 8 moves only? I am going to explain why white resign. Okay, let's start with d4. This called queen's pawn came, then a5, Dutch defense, knight c3, okay, develop the move, knight f6, knight f3, two knight defense, rappel variation, Dutch defense, rappel variation, another move, e6, e3, bishop v4, okay, now pin the knight, white, black bishop, then white bishop go to b5, okay, white bishop go to b5 and c6. Okay, now attack the white bishop right now. Then white bishop go to a4, go back to a4, and knight go to e4, black knight go to e4. Another move of seventh move of white, queen e2. Okay, now queen go to e2 and knight cross c3. Okay, now attack the queen right now, white, black knight. Then beautiful move of white. This is amazing move. We cross c3. Okay, then bishop cross c3 and we will check. This time white going to resign because you can see right now why white resign. The bishop going to check here and the rook is wrapped by black bishop. If black the check, then wrap the rook. That's it. This is chapter 1, Dutch defense wraps. Okay, we can go now chapter 2. Okay. Hello everyone, this is chapter 2, Dutch defense part 1 video. Why black resign in 8 moves only? I am going to explain and analyze. First move, d4. Okay, queen's pawn opening. Then a5, Dutch defense, knight c3, Dutch defense, rappel variation. Another move of black. Knight go to f6. Okay, then bishop go to g5. Then bishop go to g5 and d5, g5, d5, bishop cross f6, e cross f6. Okay, another move, white e3. Okay, now you can see right now another move of black c3. Then white bishop go to d3. Okay, we will see what's happening going to why black resign. Okay, sixth move of black, queen go to b6. Then a3. Okay, another move of king cross b2. Okay, then knight a4 and wrap the queen. Because queen cannot go anywhere. If go anywhere, queen is wrapped by black pieces. You can see right now. I will show you. The queen cannot go here, 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 here. Then if go here, if cut, cannot cut because queen is gone. Cannot go here, cannot go cut, cannot go here, cannot go here. Okay, that's why the black resigned this. Okay, this is chapter 2, part 1 video that depends. Okay. Hello everyone, this is chapter 3. Why black resign in 10 moves only? We will see why black resign this case. Okay, first move is d4. Okay, f5, Dutch defense, knight go to c3, knight f3, bishop g5, Dutch defense, rappel variation. Another move, black go to h6, bishop cross f6, e cross f6, e4, bishop b4. Now pin the knight. Okay, again the queen go to h5 and we will check. Then king go to f8. Then bishop c4. Okay. Another move of black, queen go to e7. So now you can see right now knight go to e2. Okay. Another move, f cross e4. After that, beautiful move of white castling right now, long castling. Then c6, the black move is c6, and the amazing move of white, knight go to f4. Okay, this time black resign. You can see right now why black resign this k. If another move of white knight go to here and check here and wrap the queen. That's why black resigned this k. Okay, we will see. If go here, the game is over, checkmate. Go back now. Okay, queen go to d8. Then queen go to here. Then queen go to here. The beautiful move, the check here. Another move here. He cannot go here. The queen is cut only. The wrap the queen. That's it. This is chapter 3. We can go now chapter 4. That's it. Hello everyone. This is chapter 4. Why black resign in 15 moves? Let's start with d4, queen's pawn opening, f5, Dutch defense. Another move of white, c4, knight f6, knight c3, g6, h4, bishop g7, then h5, knight cross h5, e4 e6, then e cross f5 and e cross f5. Okay, another move, rook cross h5, then g cross f5, cut the bishop, cut the rook. Okay, we can see right now queen cross h5 and we will check. Then king go to f8. Another move of white, knight go to d5. Okay, then h6. After that, queen cross f5 and we will check. Then king go to g8. Another move, queen e4. Okay. Next move of black, queen go to f7. If beautiful move of white bishop go to e2. Then rook go to f8. Then bishop cross h6. If cut the bishop by bishop, then beautiful check with queen h7. Now totally black resign this game because you can see right now, if two base to go to black queen. If go to queen here, the check with here, and easily so many attack by white pieces. That's why black resign this game. Now check. If go to check two space only here, then we will check here. Check. Then go to here. Then check. Then if go to here, okay, we will see check. Then here we will see I go to here. Okay, if black the check with cannot black the check because if move here and wrap the rook. That's it. That's why black resign this. Okay, that's it. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye. We can go now. Another video after tomorrow. Part 2 video of Dutch defense rap. This is first chapter, first video. Part 1 video of Dutch defense raps. Okay, that's it.